Welcome to all. Myself, C.A. Shekhar, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today's section we are going to discuss about internal combustion engine. First of all, I am discuss about engine. What is meant by engine? A machine with moving part that converted heat energy into is mechanical energy is called as engine. Classification of engine. There are two types of engines. IC engines and EC engine. IC engine means internal combustion engine. EC engine means external combustion engine. Let us see PPT. Right. Internal combustion engine. What is meant by internal combustion engine? The internal combustion engine in which the combustion of a fuel takes place inside of the engine cylinder is called as internal combustion engine. Previously discussed engine, a machine with moving part that converted heat energy into is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is nothing but a chemical energy, whatever it. Next, classification of IC engine. Classification of IC engine based on working cycle. Two categories, 2-stroke engine and 4-stroke engine. 4-stroke engine further classified into two categories, SI engine and CI engine. SI engine means petrol engine, CI engine means diesel engine. Today we are discussing about SI engine. Right. Working principle of 4-stroke petrol engine. Major parts. Engine major parts. This is first engine. This figure of 4-stroke engine. The cylinder. First engine. This figure of 4-stroke engine, and second the cylinder. This position, cylinder position. Next piston. This position, piston position. Next crankshaft. This position, rotating crankshaft. This position, rotating crankshaft. Engine valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve. Inlet valve and exhaust valve. Last and final, spark plug. This is a spark plug. Next, this is connecting rod. This is connecting rod. These are major parts of an engine. Next, working principle of 4-stroke petrol engine. The internal combustion engine in which the parts of follow are the 4 strokes. Number 1, intake and suction stroke, whatever it is. First of all, intake or suction stroke. Second, compression stroke. Third, power stroke. Fourth, exhaust stroke. These are 4 strokes are petrol engine. This is the figure of 4-stroke engine. Intake, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. Briefly explain the each one strokes. First of all stroke, intake stroke. This is the figure of intake stroke. This position TDC. This position BDC. TDC mean top dead center. BDC mean bottom dead center. This. Mainly 4 points of this working process. First point, inlet valve open. This is inlet valve is open. Next point, exhaust valve is closed position. First point, inlet valve is open position. Exhaust valve is closed position. Third, piston go to TDC to BDC. Piston, this is the piston part. Top dead center to bottom dead center. Piston move top dead center to bottom dead center downwards. Next, fourth point, air fuel mixture enter into the cylinder. This is the air fuel mixture enter into the cylinder. This is the first suction stroke is completed. Next, second stroke. Next, compression stroke. In this stroke, this figure of diagram, figure of 4-stroke, TDC. This position BDC. TDC mean top dead center, BDC mean bottom dead center. Valves, inlet valve and exhaust valves. First, this is the first point. Inlet valve is closed position. In this stroke, inlet valve is closed position and exhaust valve is the closed position. Next, third, piston go to BDC to 2DC. Piston go to BDC to 2DC. Upward position. Fourth, the air fuel mixture compressed into the cylinder. Air fuel mixture compressed into the cylinder. This is the second stroke is completed. Next, third stroke. This is third stroke. Power stroke, the most important stroke and the main part of stroke. Inlet valve is closed position and exit valve is the closed position. Same position TDC to BDC. TDC, this position BDC. Same. Inlet valve is closed position and exit valve is closed position. Air fuel mixture burn into the combustion chamber. Yes. Air fuel mixture burn into the cylinder. Next, fourth point, piston go to TDC to BDC. Piston go to TDC to BDC. The first stroke, I repeat once again. Right. This first stroke, piston top dead center to bottom dead center in this stroke. Next stroke, in this piston, bottom dead center to top dead center. Next stroke, top dead center to bottom dead center. This is the 3 strokes. Last and final strokes. Right, exhaust stroke. Both inlet valve, exit valve. Inlet valve is the closed position. 3 strokes are inlet valve is open position, but fourth exit valve is inlet valve is closed position, exit valve is open position. Piston TDC to BDC, they same. TDC position and BDC position. Top dead center to bottom dead center, bottom dead center to top dead center. This stroke, piston go to BDC to TDC, bottom dead center to top dead center. Last one, exhaust gas out through exhaust valve. These are the 4 strokes are briefly explain the completed. Right. If any questions, right. First, right. Classification of internal combustion engine, actually 2 stroke and 4 stroke. 4 stroke further classified into SI engine and CA engine. SI engine, briefly explain the SI engine. Now I am going to CA engine is continue. Right. First of all, same CA engines and SI engine, same working process, but different. SI engine means petrol, CA engine means diesel. So you will continue video CA engine, so diesel engine. First of all, figure of 4-stroke CA engine. Right. Now, figures of 4-stroke CA engine. The first of all parts: inlet valve and exhaust valve. Next, TDC position. This is position of BDC. TDC means top dead center. This position bottom dead center. BDC bottom dead center. Right. This is a piston, cylinder, connecting rod, crankshaft, rotating the crankshaft. This is the engine parts. These engine parts, main engine parts. First of all, inlet valve and exhaust valve. Next, this is the position of cylinder, this position of piston, this position of connecting rod, this position of rotating the crankshaft. 4 strokes are same parts, right? First, intake, same. SI engines are same 4 strokes. At the same time, CA engine the same stroke. Intakes and compression, power, exhaust. First, intake stroke, right? Intake stroke, right? This stroke, inlet valve is open and exhaust valve is closed position. Next, piston go to top dead center to bottom dead center, and air fuel mixture enter into the cylinder. This is the first stroke is the completed. Next, compression stroke, right? Compression stroke, same. Inlet valve and exhaust valve is both inlet and exhaust valve is closed position. This piston move bottom dead center to top dead center, up downward position, bottom dead center to top dead position. Air fuel mixture compressor into the cylinder. That is the same. Air fuel mixture into the cylinder, compression into the cylinder. This is the complete the second stroke. Next, third stroke, power stroke. Power stroke is the very important stroke. Right. This position top dead center, this position bottom dead center. Inlet valves and exhaust valves. But SI engine spark ignition. This is the CA engine fuel injector. Difference between spark and injector. Right. Inlet valve is closed position and exhaust valve is closed. Both inlet and exhaust valve closed position in this power stroke. Piston top dead center to bottom dead center. Piston downward, top dead center to bottom dead center. Next point, air fuel mixture burn into the. This is the combustion chamber. This is the power stroke. This is the power stroke. Next stroke. Next, exhaust stroke, very, very important, and the last stroke. Right, same. Inlet valve and exhaust valve, TDC position and BDC position. right? Inlet valve is closed position, exit valve is open position, but piston bottom dead center to top dead center, and exit gas through the exit valve. Waste gases is the exit out through the exit valve. This is a CI engine. Difference between SA and CI: SA is spark ignition, CI compression ignition. But petrol engine and diesel engine. This is the CI engine. I repeat once again. The first of all, internal combustion engine. First, engine. What is engine? A machine with moving part that converted heat energy into mechanical energy. Classification of engines: IC engines and EC engine. EC engine means external combustion engine. IC engine means internal combustion engine. This is the first of all topic, internal combustion engine. What is meant by internal combustion engine? The internal combustion engine in which the combustion of a fuel takes place inside of the engine cylinder, that is called is internal combustion engine. What is engine? A machine with moving part that converted heat energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is nothing but a chemical energy, whatever it is. So classification of IC engines. So 2-stroke engine and 4-stroke engine. 2-stroke engine and 4-stroke engine. 4-stroke engine further classified into SA engine and CI engine. Brief discussion SA engine is completed. Brief discussion CI engine is completed. Next. Working principle of 4 strokes. Main major part of engine. This is the engine figure of 4-stroke engines. Major parts. First, cylinder. This position of cylinder. This is position of cylinder position. Next, piston. This is the piston position. And crankshaft. Rotating the crankshaft. Not only crankshaft, rotating the crankshaft. Rotating the crankshaft 360 degrees. Rotating. Next, engine valves. There are 2 valves. Number 1, inlet valve. Number 2, exhaust valve. Spark plug. SA engine is a spark plug. CI engine, fuel injector. Difference. Right. Next, last and final part, connecting rod. This is the connecting rod. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts is the major parts in engine. Next, working process. 4-stroke engine is the same working process, and CI engine is the same working process. Same diagrams is not a change, but power stroke, spark plug, SA engine, and CI engine, right? And CI engine, injector, fuel injector. This is the difference. Totally CI and SA. This is the explanation. Right. If any questions, thank you so much.